Good morning. Back with a quick live trade. So I just looked at, I'm trying to stay on this platform to show y'all how to use it, but I do have my markup over here on TradingView. Basically, what I'm looking for is buys on US 30. US 30 on the 15-minute is looking like it wants to go up. I'm really not seeing it break. Break this area right here. 930 push came down and rejected. I kind of see it going back bullish. We're holding this area of support here. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in for some buys here. I know the candles are not bullish yet, but it's at that area of support. So I'm gonna jump in for 3 buy positions here and let it ride where it's at and look for it to continue bullish, grab a few points, jump in, and then see where it goes at that point. So basically this markup here, let me go to the higher time frame. We're going to go to the 1 hour. Let me open this up a little bit. So basically, if y'all look at the chart here, you'll see we've been making higher highs and higher lows, right? Over here, we were kind of struggling a little bit, and price is kind of lingering at this high right here, but I was looking for that pullback, looking for price to kind of pull back, test this area right here. It could it could actually drop and continue down to this area of demand down here, but I don't really see that happening because all last night it really didn't move much. All it did was kind of consolidate in this area here. So with the 930 open, kind of said, all right, I have a feeling the market is going to pull back into this area here. And if it does hold this area, then most likely we're probably going to push bullish. Now, the reason why I was looking for buys is because we did do that at market open and we didn't continue down, and back is lingering up here. So it might be a little bit until we see a push, but for now, that's what I am looking for. So going to be holding this move for a few, waiting for it to actually push up and just grab a few points, jump in, and then jump out. If I go to the, let's say the 4-hour time frame, that'll give y'all a better idea. Now, this move is basically like I'm seeing this whole thing push back up. Like this whole drop right here, it gotta be corrected. It has to have, another leg, another pullback. We need some type of structure to form here for this area even to make sense. I don't think it's gonna just pull back just this much and then like just melt again. I have a good feeling that's probably gonna push up a little more. And I think we got a pretty decent entry for where price is now. Don't really see it coming back down to these lows. As you can see, the wicks to the downside we're rejecting and we're trying to push up. So the buys just make a whole lot of sense here. My only thing is, are we going to have enough volume to see it actually happen today? It is Wednesday, so Wednesday is usually pretty decent. So I'm gonna practice some patience, let this thing ride out, and let's see if we can get a nice trade for a day. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna drop back down to a 15-minute. See how we doing here. We in some drawdown. We kind of flip-flopping here inside this drawdown, but as long as we hold above this area of support, I like our chances to go up bullish. So I'll be a little patient, let it play out, and see if we can get us a win. This week has been really good so far. One yesterday, one on Monday. Took some good setup on gold. Also, I'm not trading gold, but the breakdowns have been pretty decent. US 30 is a little bit more consistent for me in terms of the analysis than gold has been. Gold been kind of flip-floppy for the most part, but overall, it's just a roller coaster ride with trading. So you got to take it for what it is, So yeah, we're gonna let this thing ride out, see if we can get out of drawdown into a little bit of profit and call it a Wednesday. So right now it's 9:40, just after market open. Let's see how long it takes for this move to play out, either as a win or a loss. So for a win, I'm gonna look for the market to push up to at least around like this area right here. Like I'm good with taking profit around this area, even though I see it going higher. I'm just gonna scalp it. But in terms of a stop loss, price needs to remain above this area. If I see it start to creep down below this area here, then at that point I'll be looking to close my trade and call it a day. If it does that. Now, if I see a second opportunity, like let's say, okay, the buy is struggling, they're not ready yet, and the sells show an opportunity, I might look to take a sell and ride it on down to this area down here, or maybe even this area down here. But for the most part, we're gonna see what it's gonna look like for us. So I need us to get up out of this consolidation, give me some volume. 930, they didn't give much, but we're gonna see if we can hold this so price can push. So I'm gonna let this play out and see how we do. Okay, so we're finally moving up here very nicely. Gonna look to take profit once we tap into this area here. We're moving up kind of nicely here. Let me take a few minutes. Very, very nice trade. Very nice setup here. Can't lie. Love, love, love US 30, let me tell you. On days like this, when it's acting right, I love it. When it's not, I'm not feeling it. But I've been practicing lately, guys, trying to hold trades a little bit longer. I know that's not my specialty. I scalp mostly, but really been trying to build up a little bit more discipline to hold my trades and let them actually hit certain areas that that I see them probably going to. Still staying within my comfort zone, but not pushing it too much. So that's kind of why I've been holding it a little bit longer. And here we are touching this area here, which is real nice. Probably gonna be taking profit here shortly. Moving up real, this candle's looking real nice right now. So once we hit this area of resistance here, we may pull back a little bit. I don't know if we're gonna break it. So at that point, we're very close to just taking profit. And I'm also recording this on my phone as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take profit on my phone. I know you guys can't see it, but you can use this HANKO platform on your phone as well to take trades, close trades, monitor your trade, look at your chart, all that stuff. So that's also pretty cool. And you can also close all the trades with this button right here. Instead of hitting all the X's, you can just close all. And we're pretty much at that zone right now. So I have a feeling. So yesterday's trade, I closed out and that thing just melted. Like it just kept on going on me. And I'm like, damn, I probably wish I would have held a little bit longer, but it is what it is. But on this trade, holding trades longer and battling with the greed factor of it is what does it for me. So if you hold trade longer than you know you should, sometimes that's all greed. So you want to, keep that in check. So I'm gonna go ahead and take profit here. Closed out all my trades, just did it on my phone. And that's it. That's all I got for this trade, guys. Real nice setup here. Let's go back to the higher time frame. Let's go to 30-minute. So I can show y'all real quick. Price kept bouncing on this area of support. Was looking for it to maintain this support area and look for it to continue up. We are at this area of resistance. Don't know if we're going to break it. So don't want to take that risk. There's a good chance we might, because like I said earlier, on the higher time frame, I do see this area of structure pulling up a little bit higher. So there's a whole lot more points that can be captured within this trade. So I'm loving it. I like it. That's it for today. Really, really, really good day. Blessings on blessings. Never take it for granted. Gonna keep these videos coming for y'all. I hope y'all learn a little something from it. And that's all I got. So as always, it's your favorite female trader, Charlene FX. And catch y'all on the next trade. Peace out.